Okay, so guys, we're making slime. We skipped the process of putting it in. And here's Finn when it's Monday, when it's Friday, woohoo. But when you're at school, I'm just gonna sleep the whole day. When it's Monday again. Okay, we're gonna get rid of Finn. We're gonna go over here. Well, hold on. Climb over this chair.
Okay, Julia.
What? What?
It's your turn to mix. I mean, to get this stuff
Mix?
straight.
Don't be my dog me.
Okay, so you need to measure to the 20. Julian, it's not facing that way. Come over here, sit in your spot.
I'm going to sit in my spot. Make sure it's good.
I will. Okay. You need to measure to the 20 on that.
20?
With this, and don't get this on your hands, please.
Why is it sodium? That's sodium in it.
Sodium is salt,
I
honey.
know.
Lay it straight down and measure it with the eyeballs. You lay it on the, set it on the table. Yeah, and then just measure the 20.
Give me it.
Hey, are you seeing? Okay, that's just about to the 20.
Right?
Yep, so do one of those, pour it in. Okay, and then do another, just the line before the 20.
50.
35, yes.
Pour it in.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Now start mixing.
Alright.
You have your paper towel, honey.
Yeah.
What's your name? Thank you so much.
This is not really how I thought it'd be.
Well, you just gotta keep mixing.
How long?
Till it's mixed. You want me to help?
I don't know. I got it. Can I do this? Not even doing anything.
You can do it with your fingers too.
Fingers?
Yep.
I can do it with my hand?
Yep. Mix all that liquid in there.
This is going to be way faster.
Make sure all that liquid is absorbed into the
Okay.
Gotta mix that in there. Mix it all up in there, honey.
Doggy.
Yep, keep mixing.
This sounds weird. It would have been better if we did it in the big container. Next, can we do it in the big container?
I mean, it wouldn't have mattered.
Yeah, because I have barely any space to mix.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah.
I think all the liquid is in there. All of it.
Good.
So what do I do now?
Play with it.
The slime?
Yeah.
Slime now?
It's slime now, yeah.
Doesn't really look like it.
You just gotta keep mixing till you like your consistency. You want a little bit more of the borax, we can. Like 5, because it said 35 to 40, so we put 35 in.
35 what?
Of these.
Maybe like...
So we can put another 5 in, because we only did 35. Because it said 35 to 40, and then eyeball it to see how you like the consistency. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. I like actual slime. Like that glue I would have played with. That was cool.
Yeah, but this will make more slimier. Get that back in there. You know what I mean?
It's all gone already.
Yeah. I'll just keep kneading it until you're like, it says, knead with your hands until the slime is at desired thickness and most of the liquid is absorbed. So.
All of the liquid is absorbed.
Yeah.
Oh. For some reason I thought it was under the thing. Whoops. Making a mess here.
Now you can make like designs like that or like this because it'll harden like that if you put it in there.
Really?
Yeah. If you keep it uncovered, you gotta press it down really good.
Like that?
Let me see. Oh, well. That's what I'm just saying, you can use it for that.
And we could use it for this?
I don't know what that is.
I mean, either.
That is a...
Wait, it's slime now? So we can put these...
Yeah, you can put whatever you want in them. Half of those and maybe a couple eyeballs or a spider or... Here's these.
I want to put a spider. What is this?
I'm not sure.
Probably to keep... Never mind.
Oh, it's just another shape.
Yeah.
You want a spider in there?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe a couple?
There's 2 because you get 4.
I think those are ants.
Spiders, ants.
Difference.
Right.
There is a big difference.
Right. Do you want some of these balls?
Yeah.
Oh, hi there. Here. How much do you want? Ooh.
I'm making a YouTube video.
4.
Yeah, so you can have some for another time.
Mm-hmm.
No, I want to make another one today.
Okay, we'll make it. Okay. Here, I dropped some of these, so. Ooh.
Put in.
Put this slime in there.
And the last one, which is probably going to be the blue one, because I always saved the best for last. I'm going to put all of them in.
Okay, honey.
It's going to be so cool.
I'm just talking to him and your answer.
I didn't know if you were talking to me or if you were talking to me.
You see Grandma's keys in there? Oh, thank you so much. Sorry, I got a mess of my own here. Jake can get visitors now. Yeah, he'd be so excited.
So guys, I'm gonna keep mixing it up until it's at a good consistency. Whatever it's called. Consistency. It's getting kind of sticky. That's getting a little bit sticky. It's kind of weird. Well, it was telling the truth. Gross slime.
Yeah.
Gross slime. It's telling the truth.
Because we got both the kids in the car and they sleep.
I'm just waiting to keep recording.
Yeah, oh my God, he took forever to show up.
Really?
Yeah, and I told him, like, bro, I only got 30 minutes on lunch, so you need to be here at 1 o'clock.
Guys, this is so weird. Why is it not turning into actual slime? Ah.
Oh, okay.
Because I told him, like, bro, I told you need to come up to my job. I'm not driving all the way home. Then you picking me up and then
It's actually turning into actual slime.
I said, that's just
why?
And I was not trying to do that.
Right.
Oh, bro, you didn't even say that earlier. I'm like, bro, read your messages. I definitely told you to meet me at my job.
So good.
You definitely don't listen.
I'm gonna put
So,
this in the spider.
Super long. He was saying he was about to get his hair done today, but he went out by my mom's house too late. And no, she was gonna do it, but he had to come and get me by 1.
Oh.
And then he go to
So
my
guys,
house, and I'm like,
this is getting really sticky.
I'm like, I don't got time to
This is weird.
Right.
I'm like, I
But it's
told
fun.
you yesterday. It ain't that hard.
Let me
What
know
do you
if
see
you're
my
going to
finger?
see Jake so I know when I'm going to go see Jake.
Okay. I don't know.
Because
I'm supposed to be off at 5, but I think in like an hour or so, I'm gonna ask if I can leave early. But I don't know how that's gonna turn out yet.
Right.
So I'm hoping for the best, so then I can get out of there early. And
They're
then
kind of down.
My hands.
There first and then go do my stuff.
The heck?
I'll let you know. That'll be you do it at the same time, right?
We got to go.
Where
It
are
only
the other
be us two,
ants?
though.
Yeah. Either way, I don't care if we're just your time. So just saying, I'll let you know when I'm going.
And I'm gonna make sure with this now, because this is getting kind of annoying.
100%.
All right, cool.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right, bye, honey.
I'll message you a little later.
Okay.
It's not getting to that.
How do you have it everywhere?
What?
Oh yeah, it's getting slimy.
It is?
Yeah, feel it. It's like being real slimy.
Like, did you hear of real slime?
Yeah, you got this everywhere.
Like, no.
Like
Okay.
a big globs of it everywhere. What are you doing,
It's
man?
supposed to be like the glue. Like, it's supposed to be that consistency of the glue. But it's supposed to be the consistency of actual glue, like Elmer's glue.
Should we add more borax?
Yeah.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Or a little bit of dish soap?
Dish soap.
Should we try it?
Yeah. Hand sanitizer?
No. Maybe some glue? Maybe a little bit more of this.
Maybe some dish soap.
Dish soap, because I know we can. Dish soap.
I have no idea what we are doing.
Trial and error, son.
I'm washing my hands.
Grandson.
I'm washing my hands. Washing my hands. Washing my hands, Grandma. Washing my hands. Which is making my hands more dirty. Washing my hands. Washing my hands. Making my hands more dirty. Because it's slime in the dish soap. I mean, slime, dish soap in the slime. And there's little tiny balls and 2 ants in the slime. Maybe add some more borax. Just a little bit more. We might be going over.
Okay, I can't see. Okay. That's it. We gotta save the rest of that for these. Mix, mix, mix.
Washing my hands. It's all over. Like everywhere. And honestly, I didn't know this was in my room. I didn't know this was up in my room, guys. So, yeah, literally did not know. I thought I wasn't gonna get an early Christmas present because I don't know. Get all this off.
Does it feel better?
Well,
Where's your soap?
yeah. I'm probably gonna end the video because it's not really.
I mean, at least I got to see you.
Yeah. At least I got to see being made.
Well, just tell your watchers.
Huh?
Tell your watchers you'll get back at them later.
I probably don't have any subscribers.
Are you on TikTok or what?
No, I'm not on TikTok.
No.
I don't have probably any subscribers because I'm on YouTube and I don't know, barely any. So if anybody's watching this, please like and subscribe. Spaghetti.